Renntagg. We're just queuing to get in now. We're just driving in now, guys. Here's our pass and package.
What you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it up. I know what you're thinking.
Here we are, guys, having a walk around at Renntagg, the Porsche show. We're just going to show you around a few of the cars, a few of the clips. Hope you enjoy. Just some of the highlights, guys, of the Renntagg 26 Porsche show. Showing you a few of the models. There were some stunning examples there. Let's have a little look at this lineup from South Lakes Porsche. This GT3 RS here, finished in black with Wisex kit. Nice. And just walking along this lineup of Porsches here, I was drawn in by this 356. This beautiful classic 356, just look at it, absolutely stunning condition throughout.
Even if you don't go round it,
and just walking around, there's Chris Slix off YouTube, his Porsche Turbo that he's recently done, and it was nice to meet him, have a brief chat with him.
And then we'll be back on with more South Lakes. Get some background music going in the meantime. But thank you so much. We're here all day. Thank you for a little round of applause. Thank you. Go on.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know what to do now. Let them hands together for Joe. Let's help him get over this high jump bar with some nasty wind on the side. Let's go. Keep that clap going. Joe's facing. He's up. Oh my word! My life just flashed before my eyes.
As you can see, guys, there was a lot of different models there, from old to new, from 911s, Caymans, GT3s, Turbos, Cabriolets. Every model you could think of was on display there. Now just look at this McLaren 720S. Now if you keep an eye on the channel, guys, in the near future we'll be doing a full video on this one. This guy's 50th edition Turbo. Credit to the owner of this one. Look at the colour combination and the spec of that. Stunning car. Even IRVS Restoration team reserved the classic VWs and Porsches. It was nice to have a little chat with Paul. And just check out this GT3 RS Porsche. This is what we came in today, and this certainly grabs everyone's attention.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow.
Hope you've enjoyed the short tour of the Renntagg 2026 Porsche show. Please hit that like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you in the next one.